Thank you.
What do you think about this season and your performance in the Champions League?
Well, we had a very tough group in the Champions League, but we really showed that we belong here to the Final Four by beating out Rostov. But the group phase was really hard for us. Linnea was just coming back and I was out, so it's a really tough opponents against Vardar, Buduknost and Györ. But I think we showed that we are among the top 4 teams.
How did you win against Rostov? Was it tactics or?
Yeah, we were really well prepared, but the most important thing was that we all followed the same plan. We were agreed on how we wanted to play and how we wanted to play Rostov, and then in the end we succeed. We really had a good game against them.
You can beat the record against Vardar this
What?
season. Beat record against Vardar this season, 2 loss.
Yes.
So, what do you think will change tomorrow? Can anything change?
Yes, I really think we can. I think we improved a lot. We have our top performances at the end of the season, so I really think we have a chance to beat Vardar, but it will also be a really tough game because we know Vardar is very good. They've been in this Final Four twice before, so it will be really hard because they know what all this is about.
Who will decide tomorrow's game?
Oh, it will be a lot of things. It will be the small details in the play. Who will get the cone in, the cone out? We really don't know. It will be the tactics. It will be everything. There needs to be a top performance also.
Everybody's saying that you're in a better shape, in a better form now in the past few matches.